This video shows the overview and maintenance of Xerox SquareFold Trimmer Module. The Xerox SquareFold Trimmer Module is an optional finishing module that flattens the spine of a booklet and performs a face trim on the booklet. The SquareFold Trimmer Module is available only with a booklet maker finisher. The SquareFold Trimmer Module receives the booklet from the booklet maker area of the finisher, then flattens the booklet spine, which reduces the booklet thickness and gives the booklet the appearance of a perfect bound book. To adjust the shape of the SquareFold book spine setting, press the Spine Shape Adjustment button. It also trims and cuts away the face edge of the booklet, resulting in a neat, finished edge. You can select and access the SquareFold and trim features from the print driver, the printer control panel, or from the print server. The middle LED indicates the auto normal setting. As the LED moves upward, the pressure applied to the spine of the booklet increases, and as it moves downward, the pressure decreases. Adjust the setting as needed to achieve the desired finish for the booklet. The trim options include trimming on off and cut to size. When the waste container is full, an indicator illuminates on the SquareFold Trimmer Module, and a message appears on the printer control panel. When the message appears, dispose of the paper scraps. Ensure that the printer is powered on, but is not printing a job. Pull out, but do not remove the trimmer waste container. Grasp the belt at the end of the container and remove the waste container from the trimmer. Discard all waste and paper scraps. Reinsert the empty waste container in the trimmer, then slowly push in the container until it stops.